What have you done?
I've attacked the mantelpiece, the fireplace, but I haven't got any cream baubles left.
I'm not spraying anymore.
Okay. Alright. So I've added in little, what do you call them?
Beads.
Little glass beads, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. Just to hopefully pick up on the lights. Because, of course, the lights are covered now.
Oh, the mess of the carpet.
I know, I'll get the Hoover out in a minute.
Oh. And have you added more black stuff to this that I sprayed up for you?
Yeah.
I was spraying balls last night. Spraying my balls black I was.
So there's the big one you did.
Right. And the other one's there.
This one.
And that one, yes. I was in the garage till late at night,
Yeah.
spraying my balls black.
Oh, here. And a fuzzy one.
Right. So you're happy with them now?
Yeah.
Now, have you used the gold ones I sprayed you as well?
Yeah. They're in there too.
Ah, so all my spraying didn't go to vein.
No, it didn't. I've used it all.
That's all right
Yeah. So the tree looks a lot fuller.
then. Yes.
But I have still got some more stuff coming.
Oh.
I've ordered some crystal chandelier droplets just to put on the ends.
Oh.
They should come today. Well, some of them should come today. Yeah. Right. I'm done.
Say goodbye. So then, even though you'd finished, you hadn't finished.
No. Hello, Ted.
What else you been doing?
I've done the bottom of the fireplace.
Right.
Yeah, those things may not stay there. They're just out until I decide what I'm doing there.
Right. Okay. And you've added more to this as well.
Yeah, I found that in the bottom of a box.
Ah. Well, that's marvellous.
Yeah.
So you're happy with it now?
Yes, I think I am.
But are you sure?
Not sure, no. And I'd seen lots of people doing collections of candles, and I thought, I've got quite a few candles, but I think I need a few more. Look. Oh, you've seen them. Yeah.
You can have a rest now.
Yeah, I'm going to have a rest now.
Bye.
Bye.